Welcome grade 3 to our new lesson. We're still in unit 9, which talking about time. As you know that we have the value of the month resilience, and resilience means you keep trying and keep doing your best, even changing in the circumstances. Okay? So you never give up, you still keep learning, and we still keep teaching, and we are doing a great work together. So in unit 9, that we're still talking about time, the objective for today, students will practice different questions using the calendar. So we are going to use the workbook page 70. So let me remind you with the units of time, you know that 60 seconds together make 1 minute, and 60 minutes together make 1 hour, and 24 hours make 1 day. So 1 day, 24 hours, 1 hour, 60 minutes, 1 minute, 60 seconds. Okay, let's go to 7 days together can make up what? Can make up 1 week. So 7 days, 1 week, or 1 week equals 7 days. Okay, let's go to the year. How many weeks in a year? 52. How many days in a week? How many weeks in a year? 52 weeks. How many days in the whole year? 365 days. How many months in a year? 12 months. So the year, we can express or convert the year into weeks. So 52 weeks make up 1 year. Or 365 days make up 1 year. Or 12 months make 1 year. So we revised the units of time. Bye-bye. So now let's come here and let me remind you, if you want to convert between the units of time, if you want to convert from a big unit to a small unit, for example, from hour to small minutes, or from weeks to just days, you will multiply. But if you want to convert from small units to a big units, from seconds to big minutes, or from minutes to hours, or from days to weeks, from months to years. So when you are converting and starting from a small unit to make it in a big unit, you need to divide. Miss Sarah, let us see some examples. Okay, I'm giving you here some examples to refresh your mind. If you want to stop the video and start to solve by yourself, it's okay. Then check your answers with the answers I'm going to provide you with. 7 days equals how many hours? Okay, Miss Sarah, I have here the days and I want to make it into hours. So day bigger than hour. Okay, so I will move or convert from big to small. It means I'm going to multiply. So what are the two numbers I'm going to multiply? I know the first number, it is 7. And the other number, okay, do you remember that the day equals 24 hours? So I will use 24 because it will be the second number. I will use it in my multiplication. So 7 multiplied by 24 equals 168 hours. Or in another way, 7 days, how many hours? Day number 1, 24 hours. Day number 2, 24 hours. Day number 3, 24 hours. Day number 4, 24 hours. Day number 5. So I'm keep repeating which number? 24. And I will repeat it for how many days? For 7 days. So 7 multiply or times 24. 7 times of 24 equals 168. Okay. And by the way, to make this multiplication, you should put them over each other to make it easy. You put 24 up, multiply 7 down, and start to solve it as we learned about it on the first term. Okay, next question. 28 days equals how many weeks? Okay, Miss Sarah, here I have day. And here I'm talking about week. So I will convert from small to big. So as you said, from small unit to big unit, we are going to divide. Okay, for division, I need two numbers. The first number already given here. I'm talking about 28 days. Okay, what will be the other number? I will use it in the division. Okay, I know that 7 days can make 1 week, or 1 week makes 7 days. So I will use 7 to be the other number in my division. So in division, I should start with the big number. That's 28. And I will divide it by 7. Equals 4. So the 28 days can make 4 weeks. Let's go to the next question. 5 years equal how many months? Miss Sarah, here, year, and here, month. Year, big than the month. So I'm converting from big to small. If you convert from big to small, you will do what? Multiply. What is the first number? I will use it in my multiplication, 5. And the other number, I know that the 1 year consists of or made out of 12 months. So I will use the other number, 12. So I have 5, and I discovered that 1 year is 12 months, so I will use 12 also. So 5 times 12 equals 60. So 5 years is made of 60 months, or 60 months together can make 5 years. Okay. Sometimes, why you need to know this, that 5 years equals 60 months? Because sometimes you want to buy something. For example, if you want to buy a house, you will go to the company that makes the house, and you will ask, if I want to buy this house, can I pay, for example, 2,000 each month? They will say yes. Instead of paying all the money for the house one time, but you don't have it, so you can make it as monthly installment for 60 months. So you should know that 60 months means 5 years. It means you keep paying every month 2,000, for example, 2,000 dirham for 60 months or for 5 years. Okay? Now, let's go to the last example we have. 120 minutes equals how many hours? Okay, minute and hour. I want to convert from minutes to hours. Minute small than the hours. So I'm converting from small to big. It means I will divide. What is the first number you will use it in the division? 120. What is the other number I will use it in the division? Okay, you know that 60 minutes make 1 hour. So the other number will be 60. So let's make the division here. 120 divided by 60. You can't start the division with a small number, 60. No, we always in the division start with the big number. Now ask yourself, what multiply 60 can give you 120? You know that 2 times 6 can give you 12. And this 0 will be here. So yes, 2 times 60 make 120. So the 120 minutes is made out of 2 hours. Okay? So we finished revising. Let's go to our... first of all, I need to tell you an easy way to know how many days in each month. You know that how many months in a year? 12 months. Okay, some of those months are made of 30 days, and some of them are made of 31 days. And 1 month, that's February, is made of 28 days, and when it is a leap year, it becomes 29 days. So now, Miss Sarah, how can I know the month that consists of 31 days and the month that is only 30 days? I need you all to close your both hands and put them together as shown here in the picture. And the first month of the year is January. As you can see, it is on the knuckle. Next, February, between the 2 knuckles. and it is 28, and if it is a leap year, it will become 29. And the leap year comes every 4 years. So January, on the knuckle, you start counting the months on your knuckles, and the knuckles are shown when you are closing both your hands and put them together as if you are going to play boxing, okay? So here, January, it's above the knuckle, so it is 31. February, between the two knuckles, so it is not 31, it is 28. March, on the knuckle, on the top of the knuckle, so it is 31. April, down between two knuckles, so it is 30. May, on the knuckle, so it is 31. June, 30, because it's between two knuckles. July, at the top of the knuckle, 31 days. Okay, when you move to the next hand, you start with another knuckle, so it is August, so it is 31 days. Next, September, is it on the knuckle or between knuckles? Between the knuckles, so it is 30 days. Next knuckle, October, so it is 31. Between knuckles, November, 30. Last month of the year, December, and it is on the knuckle, so it is 31. So when we are counting or mentioning the months of the year, you will use the knuckles of your fingers when they are closed, okay? And you stick the two hands beside each other while they are closed, as shown in the picture here. And you start with the month number 1, January, at the top, 31. Next, it's not on the top of the knuckle, so it will not be 31 days. Next, on the top, so it is 31. Next, between knuckles, 30. Next, at the top of the knuckle, 31, and so on, okay? Let's go. Bye-bye. Okay, now it's time to open your workbook page 70. And here, they are giving us what? A calendar for which month? June. And which year? 2015. Ms. Sarah, but we are in 2020. Yes, but the book is giving us just example and some examples using this calendar, okay? So let us see. On June 2015, it will start on Monday and it will end the last day of June. It will end at Tuesday. Very. Now, let us see the questions. Circle these events on the calendar. Football match, Tuesday, 2nd of June. So where is 2nd of June? Here. Let us circle it. My birthday, Thursday, 4th of June. My birthday party. So take care. The birthday on 4th of June, but the party will be on 13th of June. So I circle the party and it will be on Saturday. Okay. Trip to the mall. The trip to the mall will be on Wednesday, 17th of June. Okay. Trip to the beach, Saturday, 20th of June. So we are circling on the calendar the important events given to us. My friend's birthday party, Thursday, 25th of June. Okay, now let's answer the questions regarding this calendar. Question 1. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. How many days are there in June? Is it 30 or 31 or 28? Okay, you can use the calendar. It ends on 30, so it is just 30 days. Or you can use your hand as I showed you before. How many Wednesdays are there in June 2015? Let's go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now, how many Wednesday we have here in this June? So June 3rd is Wednesday, June 10th is Wednesday, 17th of June, still Wednesday, 24th of June, also Wednesday. So how many Wednesdays you have? You have 4 Wednesdays.